clot this?
Come here, can't satisfy you.
What the bumper clot this?
So
Bumper pussy rascal. Swat coat. You want to hear this?
What? Oops. What? Prank. I'm going to the blood clot station. I'm the best day upon the blood clot for the shan because we're in fanfare. I'm going to the blood clot. The police said, you know what you have to do? Them ask me if you put on the building. Me tell them no. Them say, in about how long you live? It's over 5 years. Them say, me have to give notice. Can't live there long enough. Let's put up Jakes if I'm a blood clot. Family mouse. You can't have Jakes here. Y'all can't buy nothing. Then you can't blood clot up by your star, be mother. And then some look self-up girl in a style. I love you. Your pussy tight. I love you. So I pay girl for love you. You stink. Now working on my cannibal. You see, if in that fuck for me, and I use scheme money I buy fuck, you wouldn't know somebody. And my money I take out and I buy fuck. Jakes can't stay. No more Jakes and Rosealee. Jakes have to lift up.
I'm speechless.
No more Jakes and Rosealee have to lift up.
I have to hear about this. Me can't.
I'm a blood clot money, I get blood clot. I'm look at 30,000, listen. But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic, your germs.
Jesus Christ, I'm hear them sitting here.
I'm a blood clot money, I get blood clot. I'm look at 30,000, listen. But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic, your germs.
Jesus Christ.
I'm a blood clot money, I get blood clot. I'm look at 30,000, listen. But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic, your germs.
Jesus Christ.
I'm a blood clot money, I get blood clot. I'm look at 30,000, listen. But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic, your germs. Blood clot money, I get blood clot. I'm look at 30,000, listen. But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic, your germs. I'm a blood clot money, I get blood clot. I'm look at 30,000, listen. But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic, your germs.
Surety live chat.
I get blood clot. I'm look at 30,000, listen. But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic. Come here, can't satisfy you. That's some cigarette, me don't know wait there. Shall I make it? What? Oops. What? Oops. What? Prank. I'm going to the blood clot station. I'm the best day upon the blood clot for the shan because we're in fanfare. I'm going to the blood
Shut me off a light a big head split because I can't believe say this happened. I first me I hear this. Me not shock. Shock.
But 20, I fuck you about my blood. Let me just satisfy you. You fuck all your picnic. Your germs. Come here, can't satisfy you. That's some cigarette, me don't know wait there. Shall I make it? What? Oops. What? Oops. What?
Chat Surety live.
I'm going to the blood clot station. I'm the best day upon the blood clot for the shan because we're in fanfare. I'm going to the blood clot. The police said, you know what you have to do? Them ask me if you put on the building. Me tell them no. Them say, in about how long you live? It's over 5 years. Them say me have to give notice. Can't live there long enough. Let's put up Jakes if I'm a blood clot. Family mouse. You can't have Jakes here. Y'all can't buy nothing. Then you can't blood clot up by your star, be mother. And then some look self-up girl in a style. I love you. Your pussy tight. I love you. So I pay girl for love you. You stink. Now working on my cannibal. You see, if in that fuck for me, and I use scheme money I buy fuck, you wouldn't know somebody. And my money I take out and I buy fuck. Jakes can't stay. No more Jakes and Rosealee. Jakes have to lift up. No more Jakes and Rosealee have to lift up. Yes. When I try my blood clot money, when I look at what I am take out 35,000. When I want to can't answer. Me 10,000 listen, me 20,000 listen. When I look at girl, you use by blood clot. For girl who can't buy that, you want blood. For girl who can't. I you still come on, come stand. You can't stay at Jake's. You may see the text, but I'm not she. That, ooh. Chat. I want therapy session. You can't laugh. Me see the text, you can't laugh. If I'm not she, then ooh. Ooh. Chat, I want therapy session. Physically and mentally, this break me down. Me not play no match. Me no want $1. Can't stay, yes. My mother never loved me and nobody in the world no love me. Nobody. Cause my mama never loved me. Yeah, my mama never loved me. Nobody in the world. God, so me shit, man. I feel like me that blood clot. Listen, me have one night, me know, me that stab him up, chant a guy your bed. Kind of might get bloody. No send none coming to want nothing. Don't send me none coming to want nothing. No send me none coming to want nothing for nobody. Find a bed. Bed! I don't speak. Anyone of my blood clot, man every time call me, I'm my best to call me, the same story me I give them. Jake's a fuck, but I have my money, I buy fuck. I work part time, I draw money and count it in short. My mother never loved me. My mother never loved me. It's hard. Everywhere I'm going, I work to pussy blood clot. I bet I'm dead. I'm dead to blood clot. I bet I'm dead. And drunk on me, I don't want to bury a blood clot. My mother will birth me. In 1993, never loved me. Man use me and take my money and buy fuck. My money will be a save. Better me pick me them. Man, I use me. Man have me, I use me. One man me trust on me, put me at 20 till now, still end up hurt me. Can't take no more, man. How can I love again? Yeah. So you go. I'm a house nasty and dirty, I'm going to live nowhere. I'm a choose there, so I have picked, I have youth, I have man. I'm a send pick them go to school, I'm give them extra lessons, I'm give them private lesson. I'm buck up the text on your phone, your pussy tight. Love you. I have my blood clot money, I give blood clot. I feel for much of it. I feel for just silence. Blood clot, I light the fire. Oh no, every blood clot I just go to prison. And every word I see me I crumble. Me can't afford to fail, but me I fail. I fail. Poop in them over to the life. Father God, see I know everything, but you can't fix it. If you can't find and them sabotage me, the world is against me. I'm a blood clot.
Demon into Rosealee.
I feel like that. Blood clot. Listen, me have one night, me know. Last night when you fuck me, I tell me say my pussy good and me have the best pussy in the world. But yet you call somebody tight to it. So make up your mind. I own for all tight. My one of the one we are buying. Me? You remember my jets? I don't know why you in here same way. Take up your clothes and leave. You never walk out.
Chat me could work on the live goal.
We can't trust nobody else. We can't trust mankind. GX, I done with you. GX, I done with you. Not even one daughter, I'm not trust you because you have pussy problem.
What?
Yes! I have pussy problem.
My daughter?
Yes! I
Shanta,
have pussy
daughter?
problem. Yes!
Shanta, my daughter?
I have pussy problem.
Chad, when you hear GX say Shanta, my daughter, listen, this is crazy. This is crazy.
Me not go walk out.
This is crazy. Chat, your live goal. Make me complete the live goal, chat. Send your heart me.
We can't trust nobody else. We can't trust mankind. GX, I done with you. GX, I done
Stronger, thank you for the heart me.
Not even one daughter, I'm not trust you because you have pussy problem. Yes! I have pussy problem. Yes! I have pussy problem. Yes! I have pussy problem. Yes!
Jesus Christ.
I have pussy problem. Then I meet you and blood classes for your well scan. I'm a scout.
Jesus Christ.
I mean, I put my mouth around and
Mighty
talk.
God.
Come here.
Jesus Christ.
Then you have pussy problem, I meet you. All the million of all shit. All the million of all the million of your back to all you couldn't satisfy. Can't you satisfy you? So what's
my God. And the kids are in that house that hear them something, yeah? Your Jakes I say picking them a hear you. Jakes can't in chat. Your Jakes I say picking them a hear you chat and not listen. My whisper picking them a hear you. Because I just not care.
Can't satisfy you.
You put them in the background. God almighty. Say chat. Again, if you tell me say Shanta hear him mother ask them something, if you don't listen good, you can't hear put them in the background, you know.
But yet you call somebody tight to us.
Chat.
Me not go walk out. We can't trust nobody else. We can't trust mankind. GX, I done with you. GX, I done with you.
Big man, I said that came a baby.
Not even one daughter, I'm not trust you because you have pussy problem. Yes.
My daughter?
I have pussy problem.
Shanta? Who's Shanta, my daughter?
Problem. Yes.
Shanta, my daughter? You can't believe who would say that.
Problem. Yes.
My baby girl? He come like in a shock. Chat. Me not tell a lie and me not pick up for the man. The man coming like in a shock with the rose I say. Listen to what the man I say. He is a whisperer. Listen to what the whisper man a whisper. I say the man in a shock. Jesus Christ. Listen, I'm me alone hear him. I'm me alone hear him say Shanta, my daughter, my baby girl. Who alone hear him say that?
We can't trust mankind.
Shanta, my daughter, my baby girl. Jesus Christ.
I done with you.
Listen, chat. Tell me if I'm alone here.
GX, I done with you. Not even one daughter, I'm not trust you because you have pussy problem.
My daughter?
I have pussy problem.
You will say yeah.
Yes.
Who Shanta, my daughter?
Pussy problem. Yes.
Shanta, my dad in shock.
I have pussy problem.
Yes. My baby girl in shock. In shock. For true, you sound like in shock. Honestly, in sound shock. Sound like in shock, Rosealee said that.
I mean, I put my mouth around and talk. Come here, man. They have pussy problem and make you all of me them all shit. All of me that look out your back to all I couldn't satisfy. Cause me can't satisfy you. So what sense it make? Look how me quit it and quiz.
Here, pitting in my ear, and Rosealee said me care. He said pitting in my ear, and Rosealee said me care. So you mean the kids them here, Rosealee has saying stuff here? This is crazy.
We can't satisfy you.
Here, Shanta advice thing. This is crazy.
Last night when you fuck me, I tell me say my pussy good.
This is crazy.
Are you want it? What the fuck?
This is the other day.
Are you want to open some bumper clock door?
3 days ago.
Come here. I don't know what chat things.
Me, Shanta said daddy, so basically it's small and can't hear everything.
Get about the all you care about yourself. See you later. I'm saying that makes sense. It makes sense. Yeah, for those who say they for you them because you them of class school and you them for survive. They them for survive. Yeah, that's for you then. It makes no sense. It don't make sense in the chat. It don't make no sense. How do you then? What do you have to do then? Because if you blood clot it, and me a fall in love with them on social media, when I go on me. I keep not watching. I keep a nice, clean blood clot, but I'm doing big stinky Rosealee. The whole of having on the back of my head, but then know what's going on, like, when it is a bad problem, I'm not a fool either. I keep not watching Rosealee because she big and she stink and she not look good. That's why the whole of the keep and say the boy no want her. Some of them still have it on the bed, some say that, some still have it on them head. Then you there for me at 20. If you I don't know if explain a part here. You keep on them saying, you're not need the bus. You live with a blood clot woman. You live a woman shop me with me, I said this tract. You live a house with a woman over how much years. How comes we reach here so? Me ask Trace whether how we got here and can I explain to me tract? How we got here? Where? How we got here? Myself here. Right? Are you crazy? How we got here? Where? So one. How we reach us so? Where? I asked him, how we got here and he said where? So I'm like, you want me to slow and explain what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about, but you avoid just to have a conversation.
I chat the live goal chat. Chat make a work on the live goal. 20 more kiss. 20 person send a kiss chat.
Yeah.
20 person send a kiss chat.
On the net. On the net I have anything. Leave the net alone. How we got here for me can have real feelings for one man. I will live together. How did we get here? No bright blood clot boy with 5 subject, you know. Drakes know exactly what I'm speaking about, but I'll get the answer, shut up. No bright blood clot boy. Teachfield High School, you have subject and certificate. Can write any documents, any president.
Send your request to people that must be in a court. Where is LJ? Where is the person for court? Send your request. Where LJ them there? Take accountability. No accountability not taken until now. I haven't seen she take any accountability. Chat with 79 share. Chat we need 100 share. We have 79 share. Share out the live. Share the live where LJ and the people them must be in a court. Nautica where people them they chat. See me a help you with some digital footprint. Send the request so court can start. Where is LJ? Share the live to LJ. Share the live to SWAT. Share the live chat so we can start the court. Share out the live, 100 share. Complete the live goal. The live goal almost complete. The live goal almost complete, chat. Complete the live goal in the live goal chat.
Cry. The boy I laugh for you physically and mentally. Make the boy go on Rosealee. You know have to left him. Give him a discount. Rent a hotel for 160 days. I don't like when my friend them go through this. Because I took as blood clot. I can't bother to blood clot. I don't like see when my friend them are crying. I don't like see when my friend them are crying. Told her the girl birthday and Jake's gone. Blood clot. Guys, focus. Man always left me in one cult. Fuck, but I find one nice man one day, you know. One nice little blood clot, man. Or I say one nice little. I shut up my mouth, got too much crowd. I come and I get nothing. So I got a little door now. You want blood pan? You know, I go do what I mean, I do. Me a papi show. Empty way the pan, me the pan. The big good man, if you send me, he must send me. Empty way the pan, me the pan. Big no blood clot and bazim, the anglet, yeah, the one, yeah, me sick, you know sick yet, yeah. Come man, come pick me for the gate, I go see blood clot sick. Come man, come pick me for the gate, I go see blood clot sick. I mean, I search your boy for the summer for run Jake's foot at. For the summer.
Hey, girl, stop calling your mouth to your mouth. Don't call me your mouth to your mouth again.
The one they bunny?
Don't call me your mouth to your mouth.
The one they bunny?
Oh, shit. Shanta did it. Oh, my God. Here Shantae say upon live chat, listen this.
Say now go do what me no do. Me a papi show. Empty way the pan, me the pan. The big good man if you send me, he must send me. Empty way the pan, me the pan. Big no blood clot and bazim, the anglet, yeah, the one. Yeah, me sick. You know sick yet. Yeah. Come man, come pick me for the gate, I go see blood clot sick. Come man, come pick me for the gate, I go see blood clot sick. I mean, I search your boy for the summer for run Jake's foot at. For the summer.
Hey, girl, stop calling your mouth to your mouth. Don't call me your mouth to your mouth again.
The one they bunny?
Don't call me your mouth to your mouth.
The one they bunny? The one they bunny?
Shantae say upon live, you know.
You know, when I tell the girl one side I said bun me. You never know say that bunny. You know, fuck yet, you know, get bun yet. So,
you look up boy, I laugh and Shantae said, shut up her mouth. Shantae, look at him like this at all.
What's it, babes?
So chat, this is like Shantae there on the live. Shantae read and comment, you know. Listen this, see?
One. You know, babes.
Yeah, Shantae repeated Smarty say. Shantae there on the live.
You know, go do what me no do. Me a papi show. Act. For the summer.
Hey, girl, stop calling your mouth to your mouth. Don't call me your mouth to your mouth again.
The one they bunny?
Don't call me your mouth to your mouth.
The one they bunny? That one they put me.
Yeah, she said upon live, you know.
We called
We
to
found this.
Rose and she spit at us.
See, they look up in them, you know. Maybe a Shanta friend, them classmate. I look me as this is I say pitting them young.
We called to Rose and she spit at us.
Sure.
We called to Rose and she spit at us. Spit at us. We called to Rose and she spit at us.
Let's just find a girl.
We called to Rose and she spit at us.
Place a fire. Stab up jokes and stop the pity them.
A few moments later.
We don't even beat them. We don't even punish them. Me not lick them. Me not punish them. Me not do them nothing. When I sometimes shout out with face, I'm just gotta watch your tone. I lick them and lick the blood clot with them. I will come and come beg. We are work for something for them. It's hard. Jaja. It's hard. Me don't even lick them. I don't even lick. Me not lick them. Me not lick them. Me not beat the poor. You sure?
Yeah.
It's a Bible.
Yeah, drink pine and ginger.